Great, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone, depending upon where you are in the world. My name is Brenda Boehm, and I'm currently located in the Dallas suburbs. And I'm thrilled to be moderating this panel for the IoT community, talking about how 5G revolutionizes Internet of Things. As a means of my introduction, I'm an IT telecom executive that has throughout her career been enamored with next generation technology and leveraging it for new products and services. I appreciate this great group of panelists that are industry leaders already rolling out 5G in different phases and what they've done to build new products and services. And we can get an opportunity to start talking about the early impacts it's making on Internet of Things. Let's get started with our introductions. I would like it if you all could start by talking about why you're excited about being on this panel today, what you're doing in the IoT and 5G community, and of course, what is your role? Caroline, can we start with yourself, please?
Sure. Good morning, everyone. I'm Caroline Chen. I'm with the Intel Data Platform Group, and I'm a Vice President responsible for 5G verticals and use cases and new business. I'm very excited about 5G and IoT, and I truly believe a lot of the significant part of 5G ROI really going to come from IoT, and we benefit from each other. So really happy to be joining this discussion.
Thank you, Caroline. Stephen, the great past panel, by the way. Thank you for being with us.
Thanks, Brenda, and great to be here. Obviously, being with such an esteemed panel is exciting.